helmet. I don't need it either. What? Do you want to see Godzilla? Are you alright? Yeah. I just got a little crooked. Wait!
And the Godzilla cat.
Look what I found outside! It's a bow and arrow. Ow, 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 ow! My whip in my nose. That's better. Go out. This is my room. Giant kitty! It's just a kitty.